guys. I just wanted to say good night and I hope you had a blessed day. I wanted to tell you something funny that I will always remember about my mommy. When we were living in Pretoria North and we still had our own tuck shop and things, small business, um, we had neighbors, two lesbians, Nolene and Belinda. Now, I was raised in front of Nolene. Belinda was a lover, so Belinda didn't know my mum that well because she's Nolene's new lover, and she was just starting to get to know my mother. And came around, they buyed on the book. When they buy on the book, we give them credit, and then they pay it at the end of the month. And while they're working back, Belinda says to my mom, "Ja, Napana." Oh, auntie. And my mother doesn't like it when you call her that. She says her ID, in her ID, it doesn't say auntie, it says Hanniki. You call her on her name because I was raised in a house where it was inappropriate to call every second person uncle and aunt because they're not. They're not your uncle and aunt. You ask them, how can I pronounce you? That's the right way. And as she working back, my mom says, "Ja, Barabas, kom laat ek jou Barabas." I was so shocked. I actually laughed at it. And the other time, I'm sitting there. I'm like, "No, Mom. I'm really. There's a time. I'm fed up. I'm clean, and all of it is getting too much. I'm gonna crack." And she's like, "No, you're not. What do you mean you're gonna crack? In which way? Are you gonna crack emotionally or are you going to go and crack?" So she was thinking of it in both ways, like mentally crack and physically. So I'm like, yo, hey, bro, this woman is actually very intelligent for thinking like that. I love my mom. I love my mom. And I'm honest. And the way I love her, it's unexplainable. And the reason I love her is because she stands up for things that are right, for things that I won't speak or stand up against. She speaks her mind, and people don't like that about her.